Well, let me say that we are very proud and happy to be able to partner with the Indian National Trust for Arts and Cultural Heritage, INTAC, on the project of restoration and conservation of Oont Kadal. Why are we doing this? Well, we think it has a positive impact, socio-economic impact for the local population, because each restoration project, each conservation project will need workers and restorers, so it has a positive impact on employment and also on skilling of the workers that you need for such a project. We further believe that well conserved and maintained cultural heritages will attract tourism, which is also important for the socio-economic situation of the local population.